Hey everyone, this is Garth here with Heartland Exchanger. I'm today at the Alpha Laval Service Center here in Edmonton. This shop is where they recondition all their gasketed units and do all the service work on their compo block exchangers. So today here, I want to talk to you about chemical cleaning. I got a compo block here. It came in for heavy duty mechanical cleaning. They thought it was just too plugged up for a chemical clean. We went ahead and did our special amine formula chemical clean on it, and it just came out beautifully. And this is what we want to show you here today. You can see right down the channels of this compo block heart. And if we knew what we knew, this exchanger wouldn't have had to come out of surface. We could have went up with the mobile unit, did a quick chemical circulation. After 8 hours, we could give it back to operations, put it back into service. So hopefully that helps you out when you got amine exchangers. Even actually any exchanger that's fouling up on you, the one thing you want to look at is getting a chemical clean done and make sure it's an effective chemical clean with the proper chemical, with the proper time, proper flow, proper temperature. And if that's all happening and you're doing lab testing to see the proper end result, you're gonna get a good effective clean and get it back into service at 100% efficiency. So hopefully that helped you out. Please share it if you have colleagues that are also into these situations. And I look forward to helping you all. This is Garth with Heartland Exchanger. Catch you next time.